In this video, you'll learn how to search using files in Perplexity AI. This guide explains how to upload a document and query its content effectively. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the interface. This is where you will initiate your search. Next, look for the option labeled Upload File or Search Using File. This option is typically situated near the input field of the search bar. It may appear as a button or a clickable link. After identifying the upload option, click on it to open the file selection dialog. Here you can browse your computer's directories to find the file you wish to upload. Supported file formats include PDF, docx. Once you've selected your file, confirm the upload by clicking the appropriate button, which may be labeled Open or Upload. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. Larger files will require more time to upload, so be patient. After the file is successfully uploaded, you will see a confirmation message or visual indicator that the upload was successful. At this point, you can type your query related to the content of the file in the search bar. For example, you might type summarize this document or find all dates in this file. Once you have entered your query, press the enter key or click the search button to submit your request. Perplexity AI will then process the file and analyze its content. This may take a brief moment, depending on the complexity of your query and the size of the file. Finally, the results based on your query will be displayed on the screen. Review the information provided to find the answers you need. Ensure that your queries are specific to receive the most relevant responses. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.